Introducing the Crazy KID in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, guess what? I'm back. And guess what I got? A brand new track. Oh yeah, you like that beat? How do you like that bass? Here we go. I am the crazy K-I to the D, coming to you from that city, PTD. Yeah, the 503, that's where you can find me. Just go to your local show and look for the real MC, cause that would be me. I said that would be me. And when I'm on the mic, I just might delight your eardrums from the words I recite. The lyrics that you hear are so unique, so listen real closely to the words that I speak. They might get you off drugs if you like to tweak, or they might make you dance if you dance like a freak. Cause me, the KID, I'm a crazy kid hustler. Yeah, that's right, and I ain't no buster. Some people say I'm a leader like General Custer. Others say I'm a hot dog, so pass me the mustard. One thing's for sure, I ain't like no other rapper. Ain't no wannabe gangster or no gun clapper. I'm a creative rapper, alienating the zany youth, killing ignorance daily. And you know that's the truth. A hungry up-and-coming storyteller, living against sin. One of the crazy kid hustlers, and I know I'm gonna win. All my friends say rap now is all about the hook. That's why I'm making this song without a clever hook. What's the matter? Are you mad? Are you gonna sue? Is it gonna make you cry, make you go boo-hoo? I'm sorry, here you go, grab yourself a tissue. Me, I'm a rapper and you got issues, but that's alright, cause I'ma keep on spraying these words out my mouth, and no, I'm not playing. And if you are a hater, then you better keep hating. And if you want me to stop, then you better stop playing. Cause I'll never stop rapping till the day that I die. I'll make hit after hit, and I can't deny I'm here to change the world through my words, that's what I think. Man, that's a lot of pressure, can you give me a drink? So please, oh please, listen to my lyrics, and maybe, just maybe, they'll open up your spirit. I'm speaking the truth, and I know that you hear it. So please don't be afraid, cause there ain't no need to fear it. Cause I'm doing it for you, and you, and you, and you. And you over there with the brown straight hair, I'm doing it for you too. Do I make myself clear? I spit a message through my words, is that absurd? Cause I've gotta be heard. I know I'm smart but ain't no nerd. Just made this beat today, what do you think? Do you like it? Does it make you wanna dance? If so, then don't fight it. I know I like it, it's the first beat I ever made. Who knows, one day this beat right here might get me paid. You have just heard the next great rap legend, the crazy KID, that's me. Any questions? No? Okay, then it's time for me to go. The beat's about to end, uh-oh, later yo.